Good morning, everybody. Let's have a look at some of these charts. To be fair, I think I'm just going to look at Bitcoin, in all fairness. Yeah, I made a video yesterday and last night as well. So, really, if you look at the tune in and find out what's going on, it's as simple as we're getting rejected again in the morning. So, early morning rejection on the 4-hourly Bollinger Band Centre, so your 20 moving average, 21 exponential below as well. However, this is all still part of a golden cross, and so it's a battle of wills at this stage now. Are you going to respond to this and break out, or are you going to get rejected from here and come back down? It is kind of that simple. There's not really much more that we can say about it than that. Excuse me, I think I'm catching a bloody cold. The leading portion of the cloud has gone red. We've got a negative cross. We have the cheeky span in the cloud. So what this means is that if we close with a cheeky span below the cloud, so if we get lower than 97,500, then it's a short signal that will likely take you down to these wick lows, the lower 90s. So at the moment, resistance, support. But once support is lost, straight down. Probably immediately down, 93, 92, thereabouts where we were before. And it's at that stage where you have to really start to consider if we go below 90 this time. Well, I mean, I know that we did before, but I mean deeper into the 80s. But let's give it credit, because we just looked at the 4-hourly where the resistance was taking place. We've also seen on the daily where the supports have reacted significantly. Big support here and a 21 exponential support today. So it's actually looking all right. So it depends on your time frame, depends on your perspective, really, isn't it? When in doubt, zoom out. It's that kind of vibe. So the daily's good. The 4-hourly's, got some concerns about it. And obviously the weekly is the weekly. So just like I said last night, I won't get too bent out of shape about it, really. This is not a lower low. In fact, this is a higher high. So really, is this a higher low? Is that all we're really looking at? It's, I know that there's a lot of people out there that think it's going to just self-destruct. Whether it wicks down deeper than this last wick is different. I still expect wherever it goes, even if it were to come down into the 80s, it will recover in full and make a new all-time high. I mean, as far as time is concerned, it's absolutely not ready to pop. As far as toppy signals are concerned, they're absolutely not quite ready for that. We do have this bearish divergence over here, but that's already played as far as I'm concerned. We don't really have those reads on the money flow index, which normally mark particularly significant tops. Significant tops. My sound effects isn't very good this morning. Like I said, I try to keep my voice down because kids are asleep. I want to wake them up. Well, I do have to wake them up in a minute, to be fair. So, I mean, that is it. There is no toppy vibe. There is only continuation vibe. It doesn't fit the cycle. And I know cycles can break, but the model still fits. So we shouldn't really get too concerned about what it is that we're looking at here. Relax. Okay, relax. The only reason you wouldn't want to be relaxed is if you're in some kind of stinking meme coin. Well, actually, I think the Trump coin is reversing at the moment, to be fair. But I mean, look, come on. Why would anyone do it? In all fairness, this could turn around significantly, revisiting in the 40s. But anyway, that is not a tip. I'm not suggesting you buy it, but I'm just trying to point out, buy into strength, not into weakness. And at the moment, this is a strong chart across the board. That is it. I don't know really. There isn't anything else to say. I have nothing else to say. It's just the same as it always is. Bullish continuation over the period of months. And if we come down lower, it's just an opportunity to buy. Thank you. Take it easy.